In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a LinkedIn post. While LinkedIn doesn't have a built-in feature to add tables directly to posts, don't worry. I'll walk you through a simple workaround that involves creating your table separately and then sharing it on LinkedIn in a way that looks professional and neat. Let's start by heading over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your account. You can do this using Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply use your email address and password. Once you're logged in, keep in mind that if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. This is an extra layer of security that helps protect your account. Once you're on LinkedIn, tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the page and click View Profile. Now we get to the part where we create the table that we'll be sharing. Since LinkedIn doesn't natively support tables in posts, you'll need to create the table using another tool. You have a few options here. You could use programs like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, which are great for basic table formats. Alternatively, if you are familiar with spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets, these can be ideal for more complex data arrangements. After creating your table, the next step is to save it as a PDF file. This format is widely supported and will keep your table's formatting intact when uploaded to LinkedIn. If you wish to get a bit creative, you can also use a graphics editor like Canva or Photoshop to design your table as an image. This can add a visually appealing aspect to your post, but remember to keep the font legible and the data clear. Double check your table to make sure it's well formatted and easy to read, especially if you chose to create an image. When your table is ready, if it's a single page document or image, the simplest way to share it is by uploading it as a document post on LinkedIn. Navigate back to your LinkedIn profile's main feed and start a new post. Select the document upload option, which allows you to share your PDF or image file. This will display your table beautifully within the LinkedIn post, letting you present your data or information clearly to your audience. And there you have it, you've successfully added a table to your LinkedIn post using a simple workaround. This method maintains the integrity and appearance of your data, ensuring your post is both informative and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more helpful LinkedIn tips and tricks.